Greetings to you all, dear students. Welcome to the Bridge Course Template 37, Class 7, Subject English. What are the learning outcomes of this activity? The students will be able to understand and enjoy stories, narrates a known story, finds specific details, facts, and information in the form of a speech, dialogue, or story. Instructions for teachers, parents, and facilitators are given. Narrate the story with proper pronunciation. Ask the students to listen the story carefully. Illustrate vocabulary from the story and conduct discussion on the story. So, there are some instructions for the students as well. The students should listen to the story carefully, take part in the discussion, and tell the story in your own words. So, let us start the learning activity. At first, I will ask you some questions. Students, do you like stories? Who tells you story? Your grandmother, your mother, father, friend, your teacher. Up till now, how many stories you have listened? You have listened many stories. Now I am going to tell you one story, and that is from your English textbook Standard 6. So let's listen the story. 4.1 The Nightingale and the Nobleman. A nobleman in a faraway land once caught a nightingale and put him in a cage. No bird likes to be shut up in a cage. The nightingale began to plead. Please set me free. If you let me go, I will tell you the secret of happiness. The nobleman was rich, but not happy. He wanted to know the secret of happiness, so he let the bird go. Listen, said the nightingale. This is the secret of happiness. Never cry over spilt milk, and never trust idle words. The nobleman didn't think much of the secret. This is just a silly piece of advice, he exclaimed. The nightingale flew a little higher and said, Too bad you let me go. I have rare diamonds under my wings. Now you won't get any of them. Now the nobleman was really very angry and very unhappy. Oh no! How stupid of me! You wicked bird! You nasty bird! Wait till I catch you again! He began to wail. Don't be so upset, my lord, said the nightingale. It was kind of you to let me go. That's why I gave you a good piece of advice. Think over it. The first thing I said was, don't cry over spilt milk. I'm already far away from you. You can't catch me again. Then why make yourself unhappy about it? Secondly, how can an ordinary bird like me have diamond under his wings? Those were just idle words of mine. It's a mistake to trust such words. Use my bits of advice and be happy. Farewell. The nobleman watched as the bird flew away. So, students, all of you understood the story? Really, it was so interesting. So, students, what did you learn from the story? That we should never trust idle words. Now, students, we will learn the vocabulary from the lesson. Nobleman means person with high rank like a lord. ऊंचे ओहदे वाला जो व्यक्ति होता है उसे हम नोबलमैन कहेंगे. प्लीड गिव रीजंस एंड रिक्वेस्ट मतलब विनती करना. क्राई ओवर स्पिल्ट मिल्क इसका अर्थ क्या होता है कि इट मीन्स यू शुड नॉट फील अनहैप्पी अबाउट अ मिस्टेक और समथिंग बैड दैट हैज़ हैपन्ड. मतलब जो भी तुम्हारे से गलती होती है उसके बारे में आपने दुखी नहीं होना या फिर उसके बारे में आपको बुरा नहीं लगना. आइडल वर्ड्स वर्ड्स विच हैव लिटिल मीनिंग मतलब जिसको बहुत कम संक्षिप्त अर्थ होता है उसे आइडल वर्ड्स कहेंगे. रेयर नॉट कॉमन जो दुर्लभ होता है. नॉट ईजी टू गेट. वेल. क्राई विथ सॉरो मतलब रोना. बी अपसेट मतलब फील बैड बुरा लगना. फेयरवेल मतलब गुड बाय. ओके तो इस तरह से हमने ये वोकेबलरी देखी. वी हैव सीन द वोकेबलरी. सो स्टूडेंट्स ऑल ऑफ यू write this vocabulary in your notebook. Solved activity. Teacher will tell the students 2 sentences about nightingale. So nightingale is a cute bird. It has different colors Nightingale sings mainly during the night but can also be heard in the daytime. And students will tell two sentences about nightingale. Okay, practice. Listen carefully to the stories related to birds and animals on YouTube channel. Listen carefully to different types of audio books, and listen carefully to other stories on internet. For example, Aesop fables, Jatak Katha. So these are all fables. Fables means stories that are related to birds and animals. Now extension activity. Extension activity. Watch online Aesop fables and Panchatantra stories and narrate them. Evaluation. Listen to the video and answer the following questions, like what did a nobleman catch in his cage? So we can say that a nobleman caught a bird, a nightingale, in his cage. What did he want to know? He wanted to know the secret of happiness. Okay, so we have narrated the story. So students, what did you learn from this template? That how to tell a story in your own words and how to make dialogues. Thank you very much.